Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. See? Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. See? Now, there's a video going on in social media the other day where a guy ride up on a civilian and him just like a delivery man, food delivery man particularly, what them call bearer, and rob the woman of her cell phone at gunpoint. See? Now, the reason why I never can get the video from my brethren, you know. Ez man, big up yourself, Ez. See? Long time. A while now. See? And at least for me just happen. I may never use it for one simple fact. I may explain that to you in a minute. Probably by now, the video there on the screen. I write down the time. So that's not the video, the actual happenings. Just a screenshot, sorry. A screenshot of what happened. See? So by now it should have on the screen. But what I try to explain to the item is the reason why I man never expound upon that video there. See? And there's many reasons. Well, one in particular. See? You see, that crime, I know something where happened. We just start. That woman there is not the first person that happened to. It happened for a while now. More so in a Britain than Jamaica. See? I have a little video clippings where I show now with Britain thing. Because in a Britain them call it the scooter robber them. Yeah, scooter robber. See, that go on a Britain long before Jamaica, I tell you. See, now, the thing about this and Jamaica is that the man them pan the young is not supposed to be trusted. See, even during them same time that when people are screaming about the scooter robbery over here, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to try to leave the link for that video there in the comment section. I'm not too sure. Where I did I say, you can't ban the scooter them. See? Better you regulate the speed of them. So when one of them are move too fast, people know say, I want the suspicious, you can't deal with that. You see what I say? Regulate the speed of them easier than ban them. You mean, that's the sense in that. So again, people we have the use of them, the economy we have to get the benefit of the use of the scooter, them little messenger, them food delivery and them sort of thing the same way. You see? That was my opinion. Now, since them time the Rasta, people feel know say, you have your mobile phone there and you hear a bike come hide it. It's simple. Matter of fact, you don't walk, don't just stand up anywhere and look on your mobile phone. Particularly the lady who posted up on the screenshot by now. She is a yard that behind her. She could have go about her business. Yes, we have to look on it and say, it's a right for have a mobile phone and do what she want to do with it. But it's a robber prerogative. The robber's prerogative is to thief it. So how you prevent that when you don't have mobile phone for them thief every day? If you can afford to do it that way, then you just go on. And then look carelessness, I not observe. That's why I not run with certain things. Because I see a lot of way where people should have protect them own self rather than leave themselves vulnerable. So look away. The evidence is clear. Man, them a rob on bike. Them a grab mobile phone. So, you see. Anyway. I say, Sir P, though, I think about it, and that's the reason why I do it, because my brethren call me back and say, You see, you make Sir P use the video before you and things like that. So I show my brethren say, I still how do it. See, nonetheless, usually Sir P view things from one perspective, me usually view it from another perspective. And this is exactly what I'm going to do the video because of my brethren now, you know, in a vex, you know, but because in bit of disappointment or confusion why me know, you know, I like the subject yet. That's why I have to go back and watch Sir P video. And may I say this now, me is a long time subscriber to Sir P. Seen? But the reason why I'm not to watch him video these days is because you see at the end of the video, Sir P a big up Patreon squad, big up PIA, and Vulture squad and all them things. Me know me on a Patreon, me don't know what PIA mean. And me know me not take no label from no guy. You know see, no guy can label me as a worse some little dirty thing there. Where I label poor people as, cause most of the poor people. Me don't know who is the Vulture, Rasta. You know see, and I don't know who I is in a Sir P mind, which label I under, if a PIA. No, me know not, no, me know definitely that. But I don't know if me are 87, 97, 47, Vulture, whatever. See, so I just hold my can and make a man deal with them thing, cause really and truly, me not take insult for black people. None at all, from nobody. You know see it, and Jamaicans, from my knowledge and Sir P knowledge, are one of the most deprived people of education. You know see it, me don't know about nobody else, a Jamaica I come from. You know see it. So with that said, Sir P got it wrong this time with how him a look on the reason for them criminality there and thing like that. You see, because so I'll show you a little video clip here now where a little quick second clip. Just watch it and make we get back on the flip side.
Moped gangs on London's streets brazenly stealing from pedestrians.
Yeah, I've written that. That is Britain, and just Google London scooter robberies. Seeing I want to see a whole page. Some, you know see, cause you see that said video you have me to show you the rest of the video YouTube would you know you don't know. Cause you have all a woman or somebody where them grab them phone and the person leg up. And the man to go down the road with them scooter, see me and I draw the person on the asphalt and go on. Me don't know why the person just leg out as well, cause you know see, in another case, I have a screenshot where a man in the same position pull a gun upon a man in a London, see him and I rob him, you know see, and you don't know, yeah, by now the thing would have up there, the screenshot would have up there. To the item, so I deal it. So it's like same thing we're going to Jamaica in a first world London. You know see? So when I look on it say the European countries, I'm like Kosovo, cause Sir P drop some what you call it here, some graphs and things like that in terms of poverty, unemployment and them sort of something there. But that's that part of the thing that we want to observe more than anything else. See, where Sir P get that wrong, I'm feeling that deliberate wrong. That's like that's a rookie type thing. And you know, it's like exploitation again of a situation. And exploiting the ignorance of I people. Same way, you know, for whatever reason. Because the economics of Europe is far different. The government structure of Europe is far different. We have a corrupt structure in a Jamaica when I work for the youth them and not pay attention to the youth them. It embrace the depraved state because it benefit them. And we know, even Sir P said that in a film video too. So the government them and Dan them and them people, them have this God concept where them love when people depend on them for help. And you know me I say, because I saw them feel relevant in my book because them don't want to do what is right for people, respect them and make them relevant. No, them use crime with the, you know, and make people depend on that. So people know, yeah, depend on them for help. And I saw them feel wanted, relevant and things like that. See, our Jamaican politician there. See, you see Kosovo and all of them European country. I wonder why Serpi use European country. No, Europe is a one landmass, land body. See? Most of the country them in Europe are superpower them. France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands. The list goes on. See? Now the thing with these countries is that them economically stable to a degree where most of them low income citizens depend full benefit. Everybody get benefit. Everybody get benefit. Rich, poor, or whatever. You get tax break, you get this, you get that thing. See? Now, in them country, particularly Britain where I live, I know about that. See, them advise the people them work part-time. See, can you go out there and work full-time? You work full-time, it diminishes your benefits. And the full-time work cannot sustain the cost of living. You understand? So, them recommend say you work part-time and collect your benefits same way so that you can sustain. You get what I say? Now, the encouragement for go work is just for the statistic, the unemployment statistic again. The employment to unemployment. So even them same people where I work part-time go in at the statistic as being employed. So you will see them have a lower unemployment level. See? Now, at the same thing, it's a bit like Kosovo now in particular, where Sir Peter talk about, we said they at war for how long, and it wasn't at war for how long, it was at war back then. See? While, you see, when the atrocities reach them, the whole of the European state them adapt Kosovan. Kosovan nowadays coming like just European. Anywhere them go, them you have the level of humanity there and that sort of, oh gosh, sorry for thing that fit them. Because, as I said, atrocity were going back in at the time between them and Herzegovina and whoever. You see it without going there. You can go research it. See? So you have this compassion for them. Britain did adapt them at one point. You could have just come to Britain, come from Kosovo, and get your citizenship. Me not hear nothing change about that the memorandum of understanding. You see, the understanding between the people of Kosovo and Britain. Me not hear nothing change. Them still come here and them get regular citizenship and them work and things like that same way. You have special preparation for them. Apart from that, we have touched back on the circumstance and situation with Britain and them. But apart from that, yeah, in general, the poorer countries of Europe now, for them poor class of people, why you not have a registry with them, I say, lessen the unemployment rate is because them work outside of Kosovo. Them can't just land border, you know. A land border, you just jump in a car, jump on a train or wherever you go to France. See, you go to Spain. Now these better economic countries need them people here as, you know, like labor force, service people in the economy, because for them people, just like how I explained a bit now the benefit and the part-time work, and these people here come full-time gap and cars and you know, you understand what I say, and them will work for little and nothing. Less than where the British man would have worked for. Because over in Kosovo, where them work for you, so British people call less because of the cost of living. You know, you live like in a what they call prime. You know, prime nation, everything there. See? But over in Kosovo, you will get the same thing then cheaper. You will get everything over there so cheaper than the same thing them cheaper. It's just as it printed in a different language, the Kosovan language, and them sort of thing there. You know, see it? So when them work for that little and where we work, British people that call little and nothing, a big mean for them over Kosovo. You understand me? Now them people are used to icier weather than Britain, cooler weather. Them people will come and be a van driver and just live in a van there. Because you have some long distance van driving boy where you're up on road for all a week straight and not touch no bed, you know. See, you can sleep in a hotel if you want, but if you can't bear it, it's recommended that you sleep in a van because you save more. Even the boss them over here tell you that as an encouraging factor, you know, like for encourage you to do the job, you know, entice you to do the job because you can do that. You can sleep in the van and save the hotel fee and then add up to your wage and thing like that. See? So the Kosovan them, the Polish them, and them all them sort of people from the poorer economic regions of the landmass of Europe fill these gaps and comfortably so. You understand me? And it benefit them back home and them develop. Now when them people that work outside of Kosovo, them not go up on the Kosovo's unemployment statistic. I mean, them go up on it as unemployed the same way. You understand me? Because it's not like them are working in the country. Whether the government are aware right, yes or no, it's better economics to them for sure. So well, then them have a high unemployed populace. You get what I say? It work for them tax, it work for the assistance and thing like that where them get. See? So them now go make representation for the people them where work outside of Kosovo. Them still number them as unemployed. See? It benefit them. You understand what I say? Sticks in trade matters sticks in business. You know see me? Now, when you come back to Britain now, another reason why you had Brexit. Because the British man I say them sort of people here come work for little and nothing and take with them economy. See? And them can demand a higher wage because the boss them tell them literally go on home. See? We replace you. We have 5-man lineup. We have 5 European lineup to replace you and then prepare for work harder than you. See? Because again over where them come from is like the humanity towards one another is less. Seeing it rougher, badness, and you have young boss and them thing the way. You know see? So them used to being roughed up and them sort of thing there. So them would listen and do anything and them a British boss they are roughed up and high demand is far peaceful and acceptable compared to where them a come from and where them used to back home and them sort of thing there. You see? One of the most unfair thing to do is for you know, basically compare black countries' struggle with white nations. It's one of the most unlearned and complicit to everything we are going type of thing for do is you now work in the interest of black people because it's not beneficial. It don't work, so it's like you have validate certain things so well then we you know, we just don't want nothing. You see it? Now, these countries, all of them, most of them, European, I don't know which one of them don't, like me say. Them have, you see the government, them, are like Kosovo now. The Kosovo, them people there have to be clean and clear. The leader them. Because then we have something under them car a man in when them start it and them there. Sky high! I will not ask that. I don't know. Go do the research. See, enough man they even want to go in a government based upon the amount of transparency and the amount of, you know, pressure, scrutiny with them under in the so particularly in a Kosovo. You know, see it? So when them people you have more consequence, you have more scrutiny and demand for transparency in a them country than in our black country them. Jamaica, we could talk about Jamaica. Than in a Jamaica. You know, see, other than that, you have social services. It becomes, because you're part of the European Union now, or you depend on the land of Europe, you have to observe a level of humanity towards the citizens. You know, see, like hospital free, education free. You understand what I say? So them thing is not a contributory factor towards the poverty and the people them. You get what I say? We have that to deal with, to contend with. Food cheaper, clothes cheaper, everything more affordable, and the quality is you know, at the highest standard as demanded by the European Union itself, Rasta. It unfair for, you know, given the awareness the education, the evidence and everything that's there today, if you use them people as representation or as a comparison to crime and violence in Jamaica. See, now me show them video they are London for sure, so well then you have them youth here without motivation or without certain, you know, cause them try copy third world country for proof that them wickeder than them and better than them. You understand me? And then unemployment is definitely not for them problem. Like me said, them have them even the robber where you sit on the bike, them they do them thing. Still get them benefiting of them bank account monthly. Get them rent pay monthly. And things like that. You understand me? So if them a do it, you know, while them have all of them security, you know, social security and benefit, them no pay for hospital, you know, see, them no pay for education, you know, see, at least up to a certain point. See, so them definitely not have the necessity, them not have the need for God to go do that. See, no, this is not an endorsement to what the youth them are going with at Jamaica. It's unacceptable. We're not in that no time or not there. See, but in other case, individually, we want to say thanks for not hurting the young lady anymore than you did. Because you obviously shake her up, she's scared, psychologically traumatized, and things like that. But the usual result in a Jamaica, because the pursuit of justice is so lackluster in a Jamaica, you know, it's like next to nothing for take out somebody or hurt them. You see, in this case, it never happened. I want to give thanks, and in case anyone of the youth them hear, you know, it might inspire them to know, say, you know, if you hurt somebody like, you see it, and somebody else might be spared the full wrath of them youth, approach and how them deal with things. You know, see? So, these are some little things where we have to observe and be careful how we communicate certain things to the people then, because it's depressing. You know, see it, and it's hard to come to a solution when you have inferior knowledge and how to approach the situation. You know, see, because we have to dialogue with them robber, them thief, them gunman. There's too much gun in Jamaica. We can't kill off the whole of the youth them. We not have no support from the authorities them. There is no, you know me I say, you know, the pressure where authority if you apply in Jamaica, it not happen. You know, see, that's some lazy dirty boy them there, they see, You know, see, because them are like me say, them benefit of a crime and violence. And I feel them intention for stem it or stop it, or them type of thing. So, with that said, Rasta, it's just that I am enough to say, Serpy get that one wrong. I mean, I want if somebody tell him this, I mean, I put it out the same I watch my channel or him or what. I mean, if I think that. You see, if somebody should tell him this, I want to know, say, these are the things why I'm not too super, you know, desired for what you think them come. I don't like the part there at the end. I mean, I think that necessary coming from a big man where, you know, claims say I'm articulate or have a certain, no claims, you hear it. You have a certain level of knowledge there where, and a certain, you know, where that not necessary. You know, say name calling and labeling, that's some dictatorship business that we are, but mostly some dictator do that we are trying to create enemy, not even enemy, but, you know, me I say, indicate a tribe. You know, it's like you set up people against people and them weird. And, you know, it's not fair because things where you can do or not prepare for do it. In a sense, you try influence people to do that. You know, see it. So, yeah, you know, that's the thing there. And me only, like, answer to it for clarity. I meant no disrespect. Even if you want to take it as a disrespect. I don't mean that. And through my brethren, draw my attention to it. Hence the reason why I'm going to look back on it. You know, see why I'm going to look on it. No disrespect to the eye or to anybody who is a fan of Serpy movement. You know, see, no disrespect. It's just a level of clarity and each one teach one. And we have to help one another. If we want to take it as disrespect, like me say, I say it go. See, we give thanks, Rastafari.